How to connect Nintendo account to Epic Games. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's jump right into the video. Starting off, launch a preferred browser in your device. In the search bar, search for Epic Games. Now you need to select the option of Epic Games Store, Download and Play. Make sure to log in into your account. Once you have successfully logged in into Epic Games, tap on your user icon at the top. Hover on it. Then select the option of Account. In your account settings, you will see some of the options in your left-hand side. Select the option of Apps and Account. Scroll down until you see Nintendo account, then tap on Connect. Then select on the option of Connect Account. It will open up a new tab where you'll be able to sign in to your Nintendo account. Select Sign In or Create a Nintendo account. As I already have one, I've selected Sign In. Just enter email address and password, then tap on Sign In to connect your Nintendo account to your Epic Games. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe to us for more.